Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your study at your home. Students, in the previous video lecture, we have discussed our English grammar and now we are going to discuss our English literature. Today I am with English literature and the chapter number 3, which is The Aunt and the Amabel. Okay, this story, The Aunt and Amabel, is taken from Edith Nesbit's book. Okay, the story is taken from Edith Nesbit's book, and the name of that book is The Magic World. Okay, the name of that book is The Magic World. एडिथ नेटविक ने एक बुक लिखा था द मैजिक वर्ल्ड और उस बुक से द आंट एंड एमाबेल स्टोरी एक्सट्रैक्ट की गई है, ली गई है. ओके, एमाबेल, हु इज़ एमाबेल? एमाबेल इज़ अ लिटिल गर्ल. एमाबेल इज़ अ लिटिल गर्ल हु इज़ विजिटिंग हर आंट, जो अपनी आंट से मिलने जा रही थी. टू मेक हर आंट हैप्पी, Amabel plucks flower. Okay, to make her aunt happy, Amabel plucks flower from the greenhouse and sticks them into the ground in front of her aunt's window. Okay, Amabel is a kind of girl who always try to make her aunt happy. ओके, वो हमेशा अपनी आंट को खुश रखना चाहती थी. एंड टू मेक हर हैप्पी शी प्लक्स फ्लावर, उसने कुछ फूल तोड़ लिए फ्रॉम द ग्रीन हाउस एंड स्टिक दैम, और उसे कहाँ स्टिक कर दिया, कहाँ लगा दिया? इनटू द ग्राउंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ आंट्स विंडो. ओके, आंट की विंडो के सामने जो ग्राउंड था और उसने वहाँ पे उसे स्टिक कर दिया, मीन्स पेस्ट कर दिया, मीन्स लगा दिया. बट वैन हर आंट सीज दिस, लेकिन जब उसकी आंट ने ये देखा कि आंट एमाबेल प्लग्स द फ्लावर एंड शी स्टिक दैम इन फ्रंट ऑफ आंट्स विंडो, शी become very upset, she become very angry and stop talking to Amabel. Okay, वो उससे बात करना उसने बंद कर लिया. किसने? आंट ने. आंट ने अमाबेल से बात करना बंद कर दिया. आंट stop talking to Amabel. Okay, in this extra means in this story Amabel is alone in aunt's bedroom. Okay, she is means Amabel is in aunt's bedroom and she is alone and she is looking for something to read. She was means Amabel is looking for something to read and finds then she finds a magical book where is in the aunt's bedroom. Okay, in the aunt's bedroom there was a magical book and Amabel finds that book. Okay, now we are starting the chapter. We are starting from the first paragraph. Okay, if you have pencil you will keep it in your hand, and if there was any tough meaning you will write down it in your book. Okay, so let's start. Amabel looked round for the room for something to read. There was nothing. Only on the last dressing table was a book covered in red velvet. On the last dressing table was a book covered in the red velvet, and on it, embroidered in yellow silk, were the letters A, B, and C. Okay, Amabel looked round the room for something to read. I have already told you that where Amabel is means where is Amabel? Amabel is in aunt's bedroom and she is finding something to read, and there was nothing. But there was nothing. On the large dressing table was a book covered in red velvet, and on it embroidered in yellow silk were the letters A, B, and last one is C. Okay, there was a book which was covered in red velvet and yellow silk, and it is embroidered in yellow silk and written and A, B, C are the words which were written on the book. Next is perhaps. Perhaps it is a picture alphabet. Perhaps it is a picture alphabet, said Amabel. Amabel ने क्या कहा? When she saw the book, when she saw the book, she said that maybe it's a picture alphabet. She was too old for the alphabet. वो इतनी छोटी थी, she cannot understand what is alphabet. But she opened the book. लेकिन फिर भी उसने क्या किया? She opened the book. वो छोटी थी but she cannot understand anything. But she opened the book. Why? It's only a timetable, she said. उसने क्या कहा? When she opened the book, what did she see? क्या देखा उसने? She saw a timetable was written in the book. Okay, she had learned how to use the dictionary and this looked like the dictionary. उसने ये सीखा था how to use the dictionary, और this book was just like looks like a dictionary, and she know how to use a dictionary. She looked up the names of all the places she knew. उसने उस बुक में कुछ places देखे और वो पहले से कुछ places के नेम को जानती भी थी. Just like Britain is a city where she had spent 1 month. Britain is a city where she spent 1 month. That was the first city which was written in that particular book. And next one is Rugby. Rugby was that city in which her brother used to go to the school. Okay, ऐसा city था जहाँ उसका भाई स्कूल जाया किया करता था. And last one was Amberley. Okay, in Amberley city her home. Okay, and she saw the times when the trains left. और उसने ये भी देखा, बुक में कुछ टाइम टेबल बना हुआ था, कुछ टाइम्स नोट किए गए थे और उसने वो भी देखे, और कि किस टाइम पे किस जगह के लिए ट्रेन्स जो है वो निकलती हैं. ओके, देयर वाज आल्सो द टाइम ऑफ दीज सिटीज़. ओके, ऑफ द ट्रेन्स which were gone to these places. The timetable of that cities were also mentioned in that particular book, and wished she could go by those trains. And she wished, और वो wished करती है कि she could go by those trains. Okay, so that she can travel, she can go once again in these cities by trains. Okay, that's it for the students. In the next video lecture we will cover another pages of these stories. Till then you will revise the story which I have taught you today. Okay, and revise it again and again. We will meet tomorrow with the next story, with the next page of this story. Okay, thank you students.